Sarvebhyo Namaskaraha. Today's Shiva Samhita class we will start from Shloka 33 to 36. And let's start our class with an invocation Shloka from Ghala Bhairava Ashtakam, composed by Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. देवराजसेव्यमानपावनाङ्घ्रिपङ्कजं व्याळयज्ञसूत्रमिन्दुशेखरं कृपाकरं नारदादियोगिवृन्दवन्दितं दिगम्बरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। भानुकोटिभास्वरं भवाब्धितारकं परं नीलकण्ठमीप्सितार्थदायकं त्रिलोचनं कालकालमम्बुजाक्षमक्षशूलमक्षरं काशिकापुराधिनाथ कालभैरवं भजे। Shloka 33. आत्मावारेतु द्रष्टव्यः श्रोतव्येत्यादि यच्छ्रुतिः सा सेव्या तत्प्रयत्नेन मुक्तिदा हेतुदायिनी। आत्मा वा अरेतु द्रष्टव्यः श्रोतव्यः इत्यादि यत् श्रुतिः सा सेव्या तद् प्रयत्नेन मुक्तिदा हेतुदायिनी। See, so far we have discussed that disharmony between the Jivatma and Paramatma is caused by false identification of self with the body and the world. Since both these are inevitably one and inseparable, it is avidya and moha that create inequality and differences and are the source of all anguish and restlessness. The truth is, man and all creatures and things are his own images in varied forms playing the games of the world. The dust we condemn is as much divine as man is, of which he is made. Worlds are teeming with God's own life. Nothing could be apart from him. The rapture of his life fills every atom of the universe. The vision of the mystic is not a fantasy of heated brains. It is based on the highest spiritual experience and realization. It speaks of the deepest realms of the soul. It has probed to the central root of the transcendent truths. And this shloka says that in order to remove the ignorance, one should follow Shruti Vakyam. Yad Shruti? Shruti means Veda Vakyam. That Veda Vakyam says that Atma, this Atman, this ultimate truth, that is greatest. Saha Drashtavyaha. Drashtavya means one should see. And Shrotavyaha, listen about the greatness of this Atman again and again. So, sa sevya tad prayatnena. So, one should follow even by taking little bit of pain. This path, this is the right path. Because muktida, which give liberation. And Hedudayini, which is the cause of all type of liberation and it is the ultimate knowledge. दुरिदेषु च पुण्येषु यो धीवृत्तिं प्रचोदयात् सो अहं प्रवर्तते मत्तो जगत्सर्वं चराचरम्. In durita and punya, यह धीवृत्तिं प्रचोदयात् सः अहं प्रवर्तते मत्तो जगत्सर्वं चराचरम्. Mattaha means from me. Jagat sarvam. Charam, acharam. Movable and immovable things in this universe is developed from me. And soham pravartade. Aham pravartade. I am the controller of this universe. And I am the inspirer of those who are using their intelligence in durita and punya, in good condition or bad condition. Sarvam cha drishyate mattaha sarvam cha mayi liyate na tat bhinnaha aham asmi iha मत भिन्नो न तो किंचन. सर्वं च दृश्यते मत्तः सर्वं च मयि लीयते. Everything created by me and existed in me, drishyate, and at the end sarvam cha mayi liyate, at the end it absorbed into me. Na tad bhinno aham asmi iha, because I am not apart from these worldly things, movable and immovable. Sarvancha mad bhinno nadu kinchana. Nothing else in this world is different from me. And the next sloka says that Jalapurneshvasangheshu sharaveshu yatha bhavet ekasya bhatyasanghitvam tadbhedotra na drishyate upadhishu sharaveshu ya sanghya vartate para सा संज्ञा भवति यथा रेवोचात्मनि तत्तथा. जलपूर्णेषु असंख्येषु शरावेषु यथा भवेत् एकस्य भाति असंख्यत्वं तद्वद् एतो अत्र न दृश्यते. उपाधिषु शरावेषु या संख्या वर्तते परा सा संख्या भवति यथा रेवो च आत्मनि तत्तथा. शरावेषु means cup, pots, khatam. Sharavah jalapurnashu. Jalapurnam, it is full of water. How many pots? Asankheshu, there are number of pots filled with water. Ekasya bhati asankhyattvam. In this pot, reflections of the one and same sun, we could see the reflections. Tadvad atra nadrishyate. उपाधिषु शरावेषु या संख्या वर्तते परा सा संज्ञा भवति यथा रवो च आत्मनि तत्तथा. Likewise, in this universe, it is seemed as different type of things, movable and immovable, but everything has evolved from one and same Chaitanya, Atman. Why it is seemed as difference is because of upadhi. See, khatam, sharava is upadhi. In this upadhi, one and the same sun is reflected in different forms. Likewise, the Atman is one and is seemed as different because of upadhi. Yadhega kalpaka swapne nanavidhita yeshyate jakarepi tadhapyegas तथैव बहुधा जगत्. यथा एकः कल्पकः स्वप्ने नानाविधतया इष्यते जागरेऽपि तथा अपि एकः तथा एव बहुधा जगत्. As in a dream, one soul, one Atman create many objects by mere icha, willings. But the same position is repeating in jagare api. Jagarita avastha means awaking. Tatha jagare api tadhaiva bahudha jagat. The jagat is seemed as difference, and everything is created by the power of mind. So, yogi, he has to know these two facts, real and unreal, and experience this by practicing sadhana. And that sadhana is ashtangas in yoga, and shama, dama, uparadi, etc. in Vedanta, and in bhakti marga shravanam, kirtanam, smaranam, padasevanam, archanam, vandanam, dasyam, sakyam, etc. and etc. Ultimate aim is to know the inner truth, and this is the general meaning of these slokas. So let's close today's class with Shanti mantra. Om sarve bhavantu sukhinah सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. हरि ओम्.